Still gotta put the roof and door yet. But she's coming. So this is number 3 panel, double-sided mesh, over 300 feet of aluminum mesh. I got the underside done on this one. Just the other panels I got left to do. That's 2 fully constructed panels. Both sides interlocking seams will be tight. That's looking down. So the outside will be seamless because they're sandwiched together, and plus I'll use tape as well. So yeah, this is my latest project. So there we go. That's 1 of 5. And I got the seams way nice and overlapped and tight, which I will put a bit of tape on them. So 1 down, 4 more to go. So right now, just in the process of taping all the seams, even though they're probably already tight. Why not do it anyway? As you can tell. Plus I'm going to do all the seams inside as well, just for an extra added layer. So right now, so far,